automated trading through kotakneo API. Kotakneo has been chosen for two reasons. First of all, it is free API. Second, the brokerage intraday, it is free in Kotak. You can get the same from the link in the description. Now, this Google Automated Trading Suite has a unique feature of getting all the intraday data. Basically, as you can see, this sheet has got a data sheet which can get all the required indicator for screening of the stock, any stock which can be listed right in the cell. And from the scripts, as you can see, this trading view indicators, all indicators can be fetched. Besides, this sheet is an automated running, so it has an Kotak Neo API integrated, so that in the daily login or automated login will be there, and all the alerts which will be generated through the screener can be auto traded through the Google Sheet via Kotak Neo API. The sheet is made through app script, which is a subset of JavaScript, and as you can see, this is an Kotak Neo credentials which have been used. And since I told you it is free and intraday brokerage is also free, Kotak Neo has been chosen for that. So daily at 8 a.m. it has been triggered to get it run automatically, and you will get an alert in the Telegram channel which is integrated with the sheet. Let's see one by one. First of all, as you are seeing, we are getting the trading view data here. So this has everything, all the required indicator which we need to run. Basically, as you can see, we are using all the access token and other OTP, which is all OTP is regularly fetched once the trigger is done, and it is Gmail used to read the OTP from the script, and this run login kotak, which is a function which automatically triggers every day from 8 to 9 a.m. in the morning. As you can see, 8:04 it has run last. So everything will be logged in automatically, and you will get an alert in the Telegram channel, which is already set for stock alerts and automated order firing. All the every alerts will be there. Let's see. So we will go to our Telegram channel. As you can see, this has got order number and exit and entry alert. Let's run manually so that you can get the idea how it runs. So I'm running it login manually, which is automatically set. So it will trigger the function, and it will read the OTP from the mail automatically, and it will do an auto login, and I'll get an alert if the login will be successful. Once the login will be successful, the required parameters for the token and etc will be get fetched, which will be subsequently used for order firing. Let's see, we have got the notification in the trading Telegram channel. So as you can see, I have already given you the details. Now see the OTP, which is 9157, which has been the new OTP which has been used for the fetching. So let's see modus operandi, how the sheet is working. The data sheet, as I told you, it's a premium trading view indicator, which is a intraday indicator. Now intraday is not free in trading view, somehow it is being managed. So every kind of indicator which is there in screener, like 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, any time of frame, intraday frame, which can be fetched. So let's see, we want to fetch RSI. So there are two possibilities. One is running candle, one is candle close. So let's say candle close. If I want to fetch RSI, so I have to write the just RSI, and then whatever the time frame I want to choose for the indicator value, which is for 5 minutes, let's say. So RSI, and I'll write RSI 5. So it will fetch the value for candle close for RSI 5 value. Let's see if I want to go for candle close, so this is basically running candle. If I want to get the candle close, then I have to write RSI 5 and in bracket 1, so that it can understand that I want to fetch the candle closed candle 1, not the running candle. So RSI 1 5. Now this data is getting all refreshed every minute, so let's run it and check it if it gets the fetch the data for RSI values also. So I'm just running the script which fetches the data from tradingview, and as you can see, this has got all the required RSI value. So I don't need in my algorithm for calculation of RSI value, so I'll just delete it. So all the values, as you can see, ADX, MACD crossover, VWAP, close, whatever I require for screening of the stock, let's get fetched automatically. So now let's go to our sheet, how this data is being used for screening of the stocks. So as you can see, this has got all the required screening data. So let's go to our these are the values, these are the functions which is running on required time frame. So this is sheet 1 where first the screen data comes. So whenever there is a condition fulfilled, which I have already set for the condition criteria to screen the stock as per the indicator value. So how this has been done, let's see. First of all, I will go to my code where the screener is there. So tradingview data. So as you can see, this has got variables of the columns where the required indicators are there, ADX and MACD crossover. So I have set my criteria, which is very easy to set. So as you can see, line number 44, let me highlight it so that I can explain you. So as you can see, D greater than 24, G is greater than, that means crossover or not, then whatever the ADX value. So as per of the required value, this gets triggered every minute. These values are checked every minute. So if I get any of the indicator triggered as per of the required setup, I'll get an alert in my record sheet. So once the stocks gets triggered, it keeps on triggering every minute also, but we will note down the first trigger, not subsequent trigger. Repeat triggers don't require. So once the, as you can see, SBI 1015 first trigger is there and there is already there. So once the trigger will be there, that will be transferred to our main dashboard where the stock will get in an entry alert in Telegram channel, and there will be an auto fire. So as you can see, 1015 SBI and 1015 SBI, and this gets auto triggered, and this sheet has the setting of the target and stop loss manual also, which will supersede for automatic setting the target and stop loss. If you will not set, it will get set automatically. If you need to set manual, you can set manual. There is a trailing feature also, and there is an exit for any crossover, like if you want to get exit at certain RSI level or ADX level or MACD crossover, that is also possible to set. So P1, P2, P3 priority, that sets first manual, second then your any crossover if you will set, if not then automatic that will be set. So trade will get automatically executed, and all the in the alerts will be set up right here. All the alerts, log alerts will be there in the log sheet, whichever the triggers, and that will be also pushed to Telegram channel. Now let's go to our broker terminal. So I am using a paper trade right now. If I'll add the money in my brokerage account, I'll get the order fired also. So let's see if the order has been placed or not. So as you can see in my broker terminal, all the orders which has been fired via API is there, Asian Paint, DMart, Jubilant. So the last order of hiring, as you can see in the log sheet also, Asian Paint, DMart, Jubilant. So timing you can see 3 to 12, 3:11. So this timing will match. Approximately 2 to 3 seconds required to fire the order once the order gets triggered. So all the orders will be taken care automatically, entry and exit as per your setup. So this is the benefit of this Google Sheet, automated trading via Google Sheet, and Kotak Neo API, which is free, plus brokerage is also free, which is I use. So you don't require any complicated setup for server or any computer need to switch on. It is an automated entry, no required of PC. All the trading premium indicator which is there in screener, particularly screener 2 is used. So all intraday which is paid also, you can get the data from there. Automated trading setup as per the criteria, entry and exit logs, and all the hiring via Kotak new API, and the alerts in the Telegram channel. So you can dry run like paper trade. Thanks for watching. You can get back to me for any inquiry or query. So these are my numbers. The codes are very extensive. So just let me give you an explanation. You can get back to me for any kind of query. And if you want to go for a trial, you need to first subscribe for Kotak Neo API from the links only, which I have given you in the description, and then get back to me for trial if you require. Other than that, for paid, you need to get contact with me. Thank you.